Hi guys, welcome back to my page. It is Jess in Wonderland here, and I am doing a Disney unboxing. I am so excited. It's been a while. So obviously COVID hair, it's not dyed. I haven't cut it since literally January. It's kind of a mess. I'm not wearing makeup. I'm in my Target grout fit right now. Yes, love it. I have my matching pants on. Anyways, so let's get straight to this unboxing. I got this all from shopdisney.com and I already kind of opened it, but it's new to you guys, so it's okay. So I'll just say, open the box up here, and right here you can see, okay, my stuff is falling out, but it was literally like all pretty like this, and then you open it and it's just like a mess of stuff that I'm so excited to show y'all. So everything came packaged like this, but I got 2 of these shirts, so I'll show you guys what that shirt looks like in a second. But first I want to show you these fun things. They're called, what is it? It's like the Pixar remix, and they're like the little aliens from the Toy Story movie. So I had to get Sully right here and Boo as an alien because they're so cute and they're in their little Halloween costumes and they're so ready. And I don't know, they're really cute, and I guess I'll just have to cuddle with them in bed because, yeah, I don't know. They're just cute, and I got them. Oh, and they were buy one, get one free. So it was, I think they were $12 a piece. Oh no, $14. So they ended up being like $7 a piece. Yes. And if you shop, or if you have a Chase card, a Disney Chase card, you get 10% off at the Disney store or online at Disney. So that's a fun fact. The next thing I got was this Boo Crew Halloween t-shirt, and I got everything like a large size because that's just like the look that I like. But yes, this shirt also, I believe it glows in the dark. I haven't tried it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I don't know if I love it, but yes, it has Goofy, Mickey, Donald, and Pluto on it. The next thing I got a bunch of masks, which I'll show you guys in a second. But is this fun Mickey Mouse shirt. It's like a comic book. It's so cute. It says, I don't know what it says. It says Mickey Mouse right here, and then it says Mickey and Co. at the bottom. So fun. And then on the back it says Disney, like pow. And then Mickey Mouse and Co. I don't know. I just thought this was a really fun, bright shirt that I could like wear with these new Nike Reacts that I got that are like black and red, so that's fun. And maybe like white ribbons or something. I don't know, we'll see. The next thing I got is this. So this reminds me of like a retro shirt. It says So Classic on it, and this is the shirt that was in the package, and it has Mickey, Donald, Goofy, Pluto, and Minnie. I don't see Daisy, but yes, so it's a classic shirt and it's really cute, and I got it in a size large. Very fun. And then I got 2 more shirts from the Disney store. This next one is Buzz Lightyear, and that says Buzz to the rescue. And then on the sleeve, I feel like there's something on the sleeve. Is there not? Just kidding. There's nothing on the sleeve, but it's still a cute long sleeve Buzz Lightyear shirt that I got. And then the very last shirt that I got was this Mickey Mouse kind of like color blocking shirt, and it has red, yellow, blue, and it's just Mickey, and it's a size medium, and I just thought that was super cute. So yeah, so I got all of that like clothes wise from the Disney store. I also got Disney Uno. I love Uno. Oh gosh, don't look at my nails, they look terrible. But I got Disney Uno. I love Uno, and I love having family game night, so might as well get Disney Uno to add to the mix of the games we have at home. I also got a load of face masks. So let's see here. I got the gingerbread face mask. Oh, is it gonna focus? So it has like Mickey, Pluto, like little gingerbread characters. Super cute Christmas mask. I got the can't really see this one, but it's like the Halloween pumpkin mask. So I got that one. I got the, oh gosh, I almost said BB-8. This is not BB-8. R2-D2. Star Wars mask. I got a denim Mickey mask, a Minnie mask, which I know are both part of sets, and then I found this cute little Stitch mask, which is super cute. And I got those actually at the Disney store because I think online they sell them in packs of 4. Whoops, in packs of 4. But I found that at the Disney store, and then I also got this cute on an Elsa mask. So cute, and it just like goes with everything. It went with my outfit today. Ooh, can I do that? So this is my outfit, my girl outfit. Yeah, okay. Anyways, so that's all the stuff that I found at the Disney store. Super fun. And along with this haul, I wanted to add some other fun Disney items that I didn't find at the Disney store, but they're still Disney, and I kind of, oh wait, I did one more, sorry. I got this one at the actual Disney store too, and it was on sale. It was a large, and it was the Onward college shirt, and I've been wanting it for a really long time, and I saw that it was on sale, so I had to get it because it was literally like $16, I think. So super cute, such a good find. I don't think you can buy it anymore, so unless you find a store. So find a Disney store that has the Onward collection on sale, because super cute find. The next thing I'd like to share is from PacSun. So PacSun has a new Disney collection, and I was looking at it online, and it's so cute, and they have a couple of the shirts. The only 2 shirts I've seen in store so far are the 2 that I got. So first there's this Hercules shirt, and then this Monsters Inc. shirt. These are the 2 that I found in store. And if you go in store, the shirts were buy one get one half off, so you can get that deal in store, but you can't get it online with the Disney clothes. The one I really want to get is this Emperor's New Groove one. Focus. It's super cute, and I really want the Emperor's New Groove shirt. I've yet to find it in store, but you know, maybe I'll spoil myself and I'll buy it online. I don't know, we'll see. The next thing is another shirt that I got from Shop Disney, but a previous order where I just got this shirt, and it was a Walt Disney World shirt. I was missing the parks, or Disneyland. Just kidding, it's a Disneyland shirt. I was missing the parks, and I really liked this shirt, and I thought it was kind of like vintagey looking, so I splurged I think like a month ago and got it, and I just wanted to share it in this haul because why not. The next 4 shirts I got are from Old Navy, which I didn't know they had like Disney type shirts, like graphic tees there, but they did, and so I got this one for my birthday. This one has like all of the Star Wars, not all of the Star Wars characters, but like the good guys on here, and they're in like a toy figure looking things. I don't know. The next one, I bought this one, and it's Star Wars, and it's all of my bad guys, Darth Vader and the rest of the crew, pew pew. And then the last shirt, oh my goodness. Okay, so funny story, I saw this shirt, literally the exact same shirt but in white at PacSun, and I couldn't get myself to buy it because I was like, no, I mean, they didn't have the right size there, and I was just like, no, but they had the same shirt, guys, at Old Navy for literally like $10 less, and it was just in black, a different color, but it's literally the same shirt, and it has Baby Yoda on it, and it's so cute. So I definitely advise you guys, go to Old Navy, because they have cute like Disney shirts there that you wouldn't think they would have. They also have this like classic Mickey shirt that I got, and I was thinking that I would bleach dye it, so that's why I got this, because it's kind of just like plain, but I was like, oh, I could like bleach tie-dye, maybe splatter bomb it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I want to bleach dye it. Yeah. And last but not least, my sister got me, or she didn't get me the shirt, I bought the shirt, but she showed me this shirt because, I don't know, she's like into vintage stuff or whatever. I don't know. She follows someone on Instagram. His name is, I'm just gonna show you his name because I don't want to say it. So this is the guy, and this is like one of his Disney merch. He has like other merch too. He kind of just sells like vintage stuff, and yeah, my nails are crusty right now, so don't look at them. But some of it's Disney, some of it's not. But he had this vintage Winnie the Pooh sweatshirt that I had to get once my sister showed me, and it is so cute. Look at it. It says Winnie the Pooh, and Pooh's scratching his head. He's like, where's my honey? And look, it's right there in the P. Anyways, it's just a super cute sweatshirt and looks super vintage. Would be cute with like mom jeans. I wear it with like leggings on a bored, tired day when I want to be cozy. Probably saying too much. Anyways,
I would go hit him up because he's super nice.
yeah, he's super nice.
And he got us on a deal with
Yes,
this sweatshirt.
super helpful. If you work with him, I don't know his name, but he's super helpful. So I would definitely, he doesn't even know I'm shouting it out, but go check out his page. This is him again. This is the guy. Yeah. Alrighty, so that is all my Disney stuff. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking around for this haul, and I'm so glad to be back on this channel, and hopefully you'll see more from me soon. I will catch you in the next vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Bye!